Hi guys! So today we're gonna do a science experiment. Wanna see? So let's go! Our experiment, it's called Underwater Volcano Experiment. So first, we're gonna start with the warm water experiment. So we're gonna put a medium scoop of baking soda in it. Now guys, we're gonna put a powder called a red cabbage powder in the warm water. So I poured it all in. Slowly we're gonna put vegetable oil. So careful. Okay. You can see it, that's going up. Okay, I think that's enough. So you can see it. It's a light bluish color. And there's a teeny tiny bit left. So let's put it here. Now we're gonna put some citric acid. 3, 2, 1. You can see it come down. Whoa. I'm scared. That's funny. You can see all those teeny tiny purple bubbles. You can see it like spill. It's pale. And it is so funny from all what we did. I didn't know this was gonna happen. Now we're gonna put another scoop of this. 3, 2, 1, go! You can see it.
It's too big.
Right?
It's going up. It's going up.
You can easily touch it with a piece of the spoon right there. It's kind of yucky.
I want to try it.
It spilled on me a little bit. Wait, it's a little glittery.
It's fun. It's going to go again. It'll make me dirty. Like us. I'm dirty. And on your face.
You can see that line going up.
Whoa.
As you can see it fall down, you can see that inside coming up.
What happened?
So you'll see the whole thing at the end. Well,
Going
tell you what happened at the
I'm
end.
going to land your face. Going to land your face. Hair on your face too. And Papa.
As you can see it. I hope you like our video. And remember to subscribe and ring the bell and comment down below. Bye!
And that was